Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Davy Jr., a typical village boy born and raised in Kenya. And if it is your very first time on this YouTube channel, consider subscribing because that's the best way to support me. So on today's video guys, I want to show you like how we prepare the sardines in a local way, you know. I'm a typical village boy. So these are sardines guys. So you have to wash them to ensure like they look clean, you know. So yeah, so after you are done washing them guys, this is the cooking place. Actually we use firewood as a source of fuel, and this is how we do it. Wow, you can come closer just to show them. Wow, you see. Wow. After that, you have to leave them like to dry for a while, guys, you know. So you have to leave the sardines to dry for a while. Wow, as simple as that. That's how we do it. So as they keep drying there, I want to cut the onions into small pieces guys, smaller pieces. Okay. Wow, the onions are so bitter. Wow. And also I have the tomatoes right here. This is how we do it guys, in a local way. Village life is the best. I always urge my fans like you should experience village life guys. And actually life here is so simple, like you can afford living in the village, you know. Wow. I think that's enough for our sardines right here. So yeah, you can tell like they have dried up. So I want to add some oil guys. This oil like that, not too much. Yeah. So, and you have to ensure there is a lot of fire. This is how we lit fire guys, in a local way. We use this kind of pipe to lit the fire, you know. Yeah. So after that, I have to add the onions first, then the tomatoes to follow. Like this. This way. Yeah. Wow. Village life. That's how we do it guys. And for me, I do enjoy doing this kind of activity because I'm a typical village boy, proud village boy. So when I'm at home, this is what I do. Like I enjoy cooking so much. Yeah guys, you know, here in the village, like we're not considering like this is the work for a lady, this is the work for a boy. No, I always do it, and I've been doing it for the longest time. Cooking is one of my hobbies that I do best, guys. So wow. So after a while, you know, after the onions have turned golden brown, I have to add some tomatoes like this, you know. Wow. With a little salt, you know, not too much, a little of it. Yeah, I think this is okay. Wow. As simple as that. You see? Yeah, do you love what you are seeing, guys, right here? Wow. This is how we prepare the sardines, guys. And this is one of the foods that it is like, how can I tell it? It's most lovable here in the village, you know. I love the fact that we get them from the lake, guys, directly from the lake, Lake Victoria. From my home to the lake, it's not far from my home, so we always get them from the lake. Wow. Our food is almost ready. Almost ready. Yeah, and I want to give a special shout out to the one who was filming this video, guys. And right there she is.
Hello, how are you? I'm on Grace Care Mission on my YouTube channel. I'm assisting Davy here to cook today. Yeah.
Yeah, guys, go check her out on YouTube at Grace Care Mission. So I think our food is ready. It's ready. Wow. Wow, it's ready. Guys, our food is ready. Whoa! The cooking pot is so hot. Oh, thank you. So, whoa, guys. Whoa! Finally, guys, our food is ready, and this is how it looks like. Wow, thank you so much, guys, for watching this video. Actually, I really appreciate. And if it is your very first time on this YouTube channel, consider subscribing. We're on the road to 20,000 subscribers, guys. Thank you all. This is how it looks like. So delicious and sweet. Yeah, thank you all. See you in my next video, guys. Bye bye.